Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to install your rod level and angle tension kits.
Before you begin, make sure that all of your posts and handrails are firmly mounted and that all of your rods are cut. In this installation, we have already installed the anchor fittings on one end of each run. Step 1. Crimping. Take one of the cut rods and insert the threaded crimp fitting into the end of the rod. For best attachment, use the provided crimper and crimp twice onto the section of the fitting shown here. Step 2. Attaching. Run the rod with the threaded crimp fitting through the post and attach it to the tension receiver on the back side. If this is on an angle, make sure to put the angle washer on the tension receiver first. Turn the tension receiver 3 to 4 full rotations onto the threaded crimp fitting and seat the tension receiver fully onto the post. If you are using a level tension kit on both sides of the run, do the same on the other side of the run. Otherwise, you can install the rest of the tension receivers on this side of the run, since your anchors should already be installed. Step 3. Tensioning. Using the provided Allen wrench, tension the rods until tight following the provided diagram.
That's all you have to do to install your rod level and angle tension kits. Be sure to check out our other videos when corner kits or anchor kits are involved. You can see all of our videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.